When a woman stops reaching out to you first, you need to understand. She no longer wants to invest in this relationship. It's not that you're not good enough, it's that you're no longer that important to her. You start to notice she doesn't initiate contact anymore. When you text her, she takes forever to respond, and her tone has become cold. When you try to express your emotions, she acts indifferent. These details have already revealed that her heart is quietly withdrawing from this relationship. What you shouldn't do at this point is keep asking her what's bothering her or constantly wondering what you did wrong. Don't keep giving endlessly or being overly accommodating, trying to use your patience to win back her attention. Instead, you need to recognize that you're falling into an overly dependent relationship. Psychological research shows that when we use the other person's response as a measure of our self-worth, we easily fall into anxious attachment. Her cold remark, or even one unanswered message, can make you start doubting yourself, wondering if you're being too sensitive or caring too much. You begin suppressing your expression, afraid to get close, even denying yourself. The closer you get, the colder she becomes. The more initiative you take, the further she pulls away. But truly healthy relationships are never about one person constantly moving closer while the other keeps backing away. Your value doesn't come from being liked. You are inherently worthy of love and being treated with care. When she habitually responds to your emotions with silence, it might not be unintentional. She may be using indifference to control the pace of this relationship. She doesn't reject you, nor does she explain, but she makes you constantly doubt yourself. Am I being too emotional? Am I really that annoying? You start compromising more and more to keep her, but she doesn't value you more because of it. Instead, you gradually fall into a state where no matter how hard you try, she won't respond to you. Eventually, you don't even dare express yourself, left only with suppression, grievance, and helplessness. Even if you can't let go yet, please stop and ask yourself what you really can't give up. Is it her as a person, or just that feeling of being loved? Often when we think we can't let go of someone, what we really can't let go of is that emotional dependency of being needed, being cared about. When our inner self isn't stable enough, we easily project this longing onto a relationship. In psychology, this is called emotional projection. You hope to confirm through her responses whether you're important, whether you're worthy of love, but she's not your emotional safe haven, nor is she a tool to prove your worth. There's nothing wrong with you. You've just placed all your longing for love on someone who can't reciprocate. True growth is realizing that loving yourself isn't just lip service. It's maintaining your boundaries when you feel disappointed. It's being able to firmly tell yourself when she's being cold, I deserve a more equal, more genuine, intimate relationship. Stop forcing yourself to understand her silence, and stop using fantasies to romanticize her indifference. If a relationship constantly makes you feel anxious, suppressed, and doubtful of yourself, then it has already lost the warmth and respect that intimate relationships should have. You don't need to prove once again that you're worthy of love. What you need to do is preserve your clarity, dignity, and self-worth. Remember this: someone who truly loves you won't make you constantly question whether you're loved. What you should do isn't try to keep someone who's gradually distancing themselves from you, but firmly return to your own side and rebuild your boundaries, beliefs, and bottom line.